Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum has reacted to the micro support area, which is good. Reacted there to the area between the 61.8 retracement and the 50% retracement. So basically this is the area between 3,484 and 3,439. And we might now be in this fifth wave. So obviously the overall idea here on this chart is that we're moving in an ABC structure. And I highlighted to you that while we need to be cautious here, it's not yet time to be bearish because probably the C wave hasn't started yet. Or if it has, I need to see a break below support to confirm that is a break below 3,439. Hasn't happened. So I'm still watching for higher prices according to the yellow count. I've added a micro structure for the fifth wave. And ideally, the price is still going to reach $3,818. Or more. I mean, essentially, this is the entire zone which is relevant as a target area between 3,818 and 4,214. That's the ideal target area. And yeah, ideally the price gets there. We talked about this at length, how important it is that this B wave, which is currently unfolding and which started on the 20th of March and which is unfolding most likely as an ABC structure, how important it is that this is, let's say, healthy. Okay, so that it goes as high as possible, you could say. We want to see it high because then the C wave to the downside, which should follow, has a better chance of holding support. We don't want Ether to break below 2,977. Now, it doesn't matter really what we want, but the market might not be able to hold that support level if the B wave isn't high enough. So the higher the better. I'd be happy with extensions. So if I tell you 3,818, at the moment, to be honest, I'm not entirely sure if Ether will even get there. It would be good because the wave 4 of this, so the B wave is unfolding as an ABC structure and the C wave would be a 5-wave move. And I mean, we already have a 1, 2, 3. The wave 4 is already very deep. Not too deep to be valid, but it's a bit questionable. And then the wave 5 to the upside. I mean, the thing is, it's very deep, right? So the wave 5 might not get to target. That target is defined based on the length of the A wave compared with the length of the C wave. But if we compare lower degree targets with that, we normally say that the 61.8 extension level of waves 1 and 3 is a key target. That points towards 3,724. So if it can break above that, it would be best. And then it could get to that sort of larger white target zone. Okay, so ideally it goes a little higher than 3,818, but I'm not entirely sure if it can actually do that with the structure that we have here. It could do that in the white structure, which is the microstructure I presented to you yesterday. It's just slightly different. Instead of an ABC structure, we're then looking at a WXY pattern, and that's possible because this move down is quite protracted, quite extended, quite messy. So it could just be a B wave within a Y wave. No? So that's sort of what I'm watching here. W, X, Y, and then A, B, C, and the C wave to the upside. Yeah, could be unfolding. Right now. Obviously, either, well, in the white count, it would be a C wave. Yeah? Then we should actually get way above 3,818. Or if we're dealing with the yellow count, it would be the fifth wave in that C wave. And if it's the yellow count, then it should unfold. And now I zoom in. It should unfold as an ABC structure, which makes tracking the micro extremely challenging. Because if it's an ABC structure, the A wave might be a 3-wave move and so on, and or it could be 5, So yeah, and then we have another B wave. We love them, and then a C wave. But that's what I tracked right now, and I'm going to track that as long as yesterday's low is holding, and a break of yesterday's low, which was at 3,466 or 65. Would be a warning that a more substantial top has formed. Okay, it could technically still come down to the 61.8 fib level, but it would be a warning, right? It would be a warning because this is already quite extended, this fourth wave, and one more low. Okay, it could still be the white B wave, but it's just that, okay, we're taking out a swing low weakness, So yeah, that's what I'm watching currently on the ETH chart. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.